Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently got a new phone and want to move your Cricket wireless eSIM without losing service, the process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes people worry their number might disappear, while other times the new phone seems ready but the eSIM simply does not activate right away. Since Cricket wireless eSIM transfers usually require account access and device setup, knowing the right steps can help everything move over much more smoothly. The best part is that once the transfer finishes correctly, your new phone should start using calls, text, and mobile data normally. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to transfer an eSIM to a new phone on Cricket Wireless. Try these. Step 1. Sign in to the Cricket Wireless account before moving the eSIM to the new phone. Step 2. Open mobile settings on the new phone and confirm eSIM support is available. Step 3. Select transfer or activate options connected with the Cricket Wireless eSIM. Step 4. Follow activation instructions shown on the new phone for the Cricket Wireless account. Step 5. Restart the new phone after the Cricket Wireless eSIM finishes setup. Step 6. Test calls and data on the new phone and confirm the Cricket Wireless line works normally.